Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. Let's see some beautiful crochet cushion cover designs model. A crochet cushion cover design is a decorative cushion cover that is made using crochet techniques where yarn is looped together with a crochet hook to create beautiful textured patterns. It is one of the most popular handmade items in cozy home decor styles like country cottage, windows farmhouse, and cottage core interiors because it adds warmth, softness, and charming handmade touch to any living space. What makes crochet cushion cover special for handcrafted texture? Unlike machine-made fabric covers, crochet creates raised stitches, lace-like details, bubbles, shells, or floral motifs that makes the cushion feel artistic and unique. Vintage and rustic appeal. Crochet cushion covers often have an old-fashioned, heirloom-inspired look, perfect for country chic homes, English cottage style, vintage rustic farmhouse decor, shabby chic interior. Endless patterns possibilities. You can create different styles such as granny square patchwork, floral lace patterns, cable stitch textures, boho mandala designs, ribbed or oval stitch covers. For customizable colors, soft pastel yarns like cream, dusty rose, green, sky blue give a romantic cottage vibe, while earthy tones like beige, mustard, olive create a farmhouse feel. Common crochet cushion cover designs types: granny square cushion cover, classic vintage patchwork look, flower motif covers for feminine and cottage core inspired, lace crochet cover for elegant and airy, chunky textured covers, cozy winter farmhouse style, mandala style cover for artistic bohemian vibe, where you can use them living room sofa, bedroom accent pillows, reading nook chairs, window bench setting, rustic wooden armchairs. Then instantly make a space feel more cozy, handmade, warm, inviting, and cottage inspired. Here are some extra cozy and practical tips to make your crochet cushion cover design look more beautiful, professional, and perfectly suited for your living room. Choose the right yarn for the right mode. Different yarns create different decorative feelings. Use cotton yarn for clean, soft, breathable, perfect for summer cottage look. Use acrylic yarn for budget-friendly and colorful, great for beginners. Wool blend for warm and rustic, perfect for winter farmhouse vibe. Chunky yarn, super cozy and textured, ideal for reading nook cushions. For a vintage cottage feel, try cream, antique white, dusty pink, shells green, soft lavender, or light beige. Use front post and back post stitches. These stitches create rib texture, basket weave patterns, cable-like effects. This makes your cushion cover look more expensive, handmade, thick and cozy, perfect for rustic wooden sofas or window bench setting. Add floral or lace borders instead of leaving the edge plain. Try peacock edging, shell stitch border, scalloped lace edged, small rose or lace motifs. These small details create a romantic English cottage inspired touch. Combine multiple stitch patterns. Try mixing granny square center, waffle stitch sides, lace border edged. This gives a layered vintage heirloom look, like a handmade cushion passed down through generations. Add functional closures. Make your cover removable by adding Wooden buttons, crochet strings, envelope style back panel, zipper hidden for modern farmhouse look. Wooden buttons spatially enhance rustic farmhouse aesthetics. Use neutral base plus accent motifs. Example ideas: cream base plus pastel flower applique, base plus chase green leaf patterns, white base plus dusty rose mandala. This keeps the design elegant without looking too basic. Block your finished work. After completing, lightly wet the cover, shape it neatly, let it dry flat. This helps even out stitches, make the pattern cleaner, give a professional finish. Style them in groups. Use on floral crochet cushion, on plain pictured cushion, on lace pattern cushions. Place them together on a vintage wooden sofa, a rocking chair, a cottage style bed. Layering creates the warm, lifted countryside home feeling. Add crochet appliques. You can sew small crochet motifs into your cushion cover like mini roses, leaves, butterflies, tiny hearts, sunflowers, daisies. This gives your cushion a handmade storybook cottage personality. Try patchwork style layout. Instead of making on full page, use crochet small squares. Join them together. Mix floral squares, plain pictured squares, lace squares. This creates a quilt inspired farmhouse look. Use puff stitch or bubble stitch. These stitches add 3D texture, soft raised designs, a cozy, handmade feel. Use them to make heart shapes, create polka dot effects. From diamond patterns, design flower centers, perfect for reading the cushions or bedroom accent pillows. Frame the center pattern. Make your crochet more eye-catching by creating a mandala center, adding a granny square in the middle, placing a floral lace motif. Then surround it with simple single crochet, half double crochet, moss stitch border. It works like a decorative frame for your design. Match cushion covers with other crochet items for a complete cottage look. Match with crochet sofa throw, crochet table genre, crochet armrest cover, crochet bed genre. Matching pieces create harmony in your room decor. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!